Hello, everybody. Thank you so much to joining my podcast and listen it and learn and grow. For today, I'm really excited because today our in podcast show a female guest will be come on and his name is Shakshi Rathore and I was really excited about that when I first talked with her and it was really amazing. He's living the Uttar Pradesh and he will be doing completed his graduations and now he was training for the air hostess and his journey was really fascinating me and inspired me and also a lot of young women that will listen it. It was really remarkable journey with us and so help me and to welcoming to Shakshi Rathore. Thank you so much, ma'am, to become one also. Yeah.
Hi, thank you so much for
Hello.
having me here. Hello, yeah, hello.
Hello, Shakshi.
Yeah, thank you so much
Hello.
for having me
Yeah.
here. Hello, are you
Yeah,
getting
it
me?
was really amazing. Yeah, you are getting. I get your voice. It was really just amazing because I talked with a lot of ladies and they I said that would you have to come onto my podcast? They say no, we don't know that, we don't know. But you said just try it, and that was how you have to be like that kind of attitude.
Because just I thought that okay, don't worry if I make a mistake, it doesn't impact on me. That kinds of confidence I have. Then I said, okay, no problem. I can have your podcast. Uh,
Oh my god! Yeah.
yeah, we get the confidence if we think that okay, no problem if I make mistake or not. Doesn't impact on me, and just we need to focus on doing.
That kind of attitude. I think so all the girl and boys have to
If
need
you
it.
listen, for example, not example, and
Yeah.
the moment I enter the class, it was my first day of a hostel training. Then
Yeah.
uh, then the teacher asked in the class the who for I mean the who I mean what I mean who want first in the class to introduce ourselves and tell your daily routine. Then suddenly
Yeah.
I raised my hand and then my
Oh my god.
ma'am said, "Oh, what a confident of girl! She raised her hand. I mean, she's a one girl of your. I mean, one of them." Then I
Yeah.
started talking about my daily routine and the the explanation. But we can say the way of explanation was not so much good, but
Yeah.
she liked my confidence. She said
Mm.
okay I mean she also told that to all students you should clap for her. Then they clapped for me and uh,
So so
that,
what kind of moment in that? Yeah.
what moment means
In that what you feel in that moment? Like it's just remarkable.
it was my first day. I was little bit nervous a lot also, but
Yeah.
still I had confidence to say that
Oh my
I
god.
will make an impact here on teacher. I will say something about me and also introduce myself and they tell daily routine.
So what was there is a lot of girls so they have to not confident. They say
Yeah,
that yeah.
even they were yeah they have been for 1 week and but my that day was first day of me.
Yeah. So how is that? If ladies or boys that don't have a confident like you, so what was the process
and
to get
also
that
and
kind of
also
confidence?
and also I had seen a one girl who was then the moment as she asked I mean the teacher asked to the girl to introduce herself. Then
Yeah.
she stood up I mean she stood up and she said only your her name and started shivering. Even she got I mean she was shivering, fumbling, stacking. Means she was not able to introduce herself because of nervousness and because of strange people surrounding herself, and that's why she was not able. Then she ma'am told to her, just take a deep breath and go outside, take a drink of water, after come back start saying yourself.
Oh my god, yeah.
Yeah,
Like people, yeah.
she was the one girl there and she was shivering a lot.
Like people will also afraid of what the other people think.
To other people.
Yeah, yeah. I think you have to don't think about that. Then you have to can do anything that you want.
Yeah,
For
it's
people,
not.
just yeah.
we should not think about
Yeah.
people around us. We should just
Yeah.
focus on our goal, what we are chasing.
Yeah. So why you chasing this kind of a goal? Yeah. Now you're chasing a air hostess. Yeah.
Because yeah, when I was in 12th, and
Yeah.
then I saw some kinds of advertisement about air hostess, and
Yeah.
stuff inspired me. And the moment I decided to be a cabin crew, and then I thought the person, some kinds of habits match to me, and then I will be a one day cabin crew. But because
Oh
of
my
some
God. Yeah. Like.
family
Oh.
pressure, the after 12th, I decided to go somewhere and to have a training. But because of family pressure and some my relatives collapsed me, and this is not a good course, and this is not good job for you. You should complete your graduation. After that, you can go. Then
Yeah.
yeah. So now I have completed my graduation after 3 years. I have come here now to have training. You can't
Oh
imagine.
my God. But
You can't imagine how much I was pressurized not doing this,
yeah.
but still I'm here because of my
Oh my
chasing.
God.
Because I
Yeah. Like
dedicate,
you're. Yeah. Yeah.
I determined
Yeah.
I will be a hostel. I will definitely take a training. After that, I will try my level best to clear a interview.
That was such a remarkable journey. Yeah. So I think yeah, a lot of girl like in your position they will just yeah say no, give up
Even
like
though
if
yeah,
after.
because I'm having atmosphere, because it is a city, but a very small town like a blaze. And
Yeah.
even where I am living, around me no one knows about this job, air hostage. They do not know about this, what is air hostage.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
I even my parents didn't know. But I told to my mother, and my mother is very supportive to me, and because of supporting her, I am here now. Then she told,
Like yeah.
okay, don't worry, if you want to be a cabin crew, if you want to do this job, you can go. I will not force you.
Like yeah. Like yeah. Student are like girls have to be convinced yeah their parents.
Yeah, yeah. We should
Yeah.
convince our parents. Then we can.
Like yeah. Yeah. In which subject you completed your graduation?
I have completed my graduation in BSc Home Science.
That's yeah. But yeah, in your whole education, in which language? Are Hindi or English?
Hindi,
Because yeah.
Hindi. I am completely from Hindi boarding. I can't imagine in schooling, in graduation, everywhere Hindi.
Then yeah, then suddenly what?
Uh, when hello,
Yeah. Hello. Yeah.
in my yeah, after completing my 12th, uh,
Yeah.
I thought that I will join any institute to learn English, then I can go for this training, because it's mandatory
Yeah.
it's mandatory to speak English here. Without English I can't deal with passenger in flight.
Yeah.
Then I decided to take a coaching. Then I also spent there 3 months, but I didn't learn much. Only basic knowledge about grammar I learned. But
Yeah.
it was my last year of graduation, and
Yeah.
then because after it was about to complete my graduation, then the pandemic has come.
Going on. Yeah.
Yeah, it's still going on. And the pandemic gave me opportunity to learn English, and then I got a lot of time to learn English and focusing on this. And
Yeah. So.
because of pandemic, I'm speaking now. I can say this.
Oh, so yeah, I think the pandemic will be necessary for that. You're speaking, yeah.
Yeah, it was a fortune for me. It was fortune
Like
for
yeah.
me, and because of this I got a lot of time, because because previous time before pandemic, I didn't have much time because of my graduation. I had a lot of work doing my project work a lot. So
Yeah.
but because of pandemic, every college work was stopped, and then I thought, now I am free. I don't have any work. I can start my
Yeah.
practicing of English.
So yeah,
Then
yeah, like
then I
a lot
started,
of
yeah,
my audience.
yeah, I
Yeah.
started with myself through YouTube.
What? Yeah. Like what exactly you do? It could you explain it because a lot of our audience that want it.
What exactly I was doing?
Yeah, like which kind of videos, what to speaking, like yeah, the whole bunch of things, please.
Okay, okay. I mean, there was a one application, and I started using that application, and I also found
Which yeah,
two, three friends there, and they all were such
yeah.
a
You
nice.
have to name that application.
Okay, the name.
You have to be opportunity. Yeah. Yeah.
Anyway, I don't want to expose the name. If you say yeah.
No, no, no. Yeah. So yeah, if you don't, then yeah.
Okay, because nowadays the application is not doing well. That's why I don't want to expose the name, because
Yeah, that will be great. Yeah.
that time it was good, but now these people are
Oh,
not
but
good there.
because because I think you left that application. That's why.
Yeah, now I'm still, still I have, but I'm not using that application.
Oh my God.
I didn't uninstall.
Yeah. Oh. So what was the reason?
Sometime if I feel alone, then I started talking to that application, and I
Yeah.
meet with different kinds of people. Sometimes I have fun with them.
Yeah, that is great. And then what did you do?
Yeah, so I was telling that what I was doing in the lockdown time to improve my English.
Yeah.
Then I started. At that time, my English was so much dirty, and even I was not able to.
No, but dirty.
Yeah, I can say dirty. that, that time, then I started reading newspaper, and because already I have made 2 3 friends to talk in English. Then first in the morning time, when I had time, then I started reading newspaper, because this is also I like a lot, whether it's available in Hindi or English, but I love
Which kind of newspaper?
English
The name of
newspaper, Hindu
newspaper.
newspaper. Yeah,
Oh,
Hindu newspaper
yeah.
I started reading, and then I used to get some kinds of incident to explain with my friend, to discuss with my friend. In the morning time, I used to read newspaper. Then in the evening time, I discuss with my friend on call in English about the incident, and also exaggerate the thing, what happened, what happening around us, like this. And we talk, discuss. She also discuss some incident, some accident in the happened
Yeah.
in previous, like this. And because of
Yeah.
this, I improved my vocabulary. I mean, normal vocabulary. If we read anything daily and they are using the same vocabulary, then we learn automatically new vocabulary.
Yeah. Yeah. And then
Then after that, sometime, if I am staying alone, I'm sitting alone, then I started talking with myself. Whatever comes in my mind, whether it's wrong or right, I don't know. Just I talk to myself. Sometimes also I talk,
what kind of thing? Yeah.
like I mean the what. Because in previous story I also started talking that, like
Oh.
I'm speaking on TEDx speaker. Like, yeah, I started talking myself. I started talking about my previous journey, about English journey. Yeah, many kinds of stuff. I started talking. I don't know whatever comes in my mind. I speak, just speak. So,
Whatever the thing, yeah. Whatever the thing, just
yeah, whatever the things come.
yeah. Yeah. And then
Then what happened? And continuously I was doing, and also sometime I used to write on the paper in the night time, while before going sleep, to
yeah.
just remember the vocabulary. And the vocabulary what I learned in the morning time, I just used vocabulary in the, I mean, while while writing, just I used to use the vocabulary what I have learned in the morning, that kinds of stuff. I mean, that thing made me remember.
Yeah. So yeah, like how long it will take to be learning this? Are you also using like Hello application?
Nowadays, I'm not using that application because lack of time.
Oh, like yeah. So yeah. So how long it will take to be learn like this to be come back
Yeah,
in this stage?
it's
How long it will be
it's
take?
depend on the person and also how much they know though about the language. I mean, and how much they have knowledge about the English, because if we talk about the beginners, he doesn't have knowledge, a basic grammar, he will take a little more time than experienced person. I mean, little bit experienced person, like because before pandemic I learned some basic English grammar, but during the lockdown time, I knew already grammar knowledge. Just I was reading newspaper or discussing with my friend. So it takes only, um, um, but still it takes, I think, 2 3 months.
Yeah.
Uh,
That's yeah, like your English journey and your life journey, just like incredible, you know.
incredible. Yeah,
Yeah.
because
So
even
yeah,
I think, if in anything I want to learn, it takes much time for me. I don't know about all
so
people,
yeah, like
but
yeah,
to understand, for me it takes little more time than others. That's but
like lot of yeah, lot of girls say that we can't learn English
I
without
also,
coaching or other
I
things.
also
Yeah.
used to say this. I can't learn. I can't speak English. But but
But now you are
but
here.
the
Yeah.
one of friend and who inspired me a lot, because he was also bad in English,
Oh,
but because of I can also, he helped me a lot, and he also inspired me. You can do this. You are from.
yeah.
He used to say me, you are completely from Hindi board, and you are not having atmosphere of English, but still you can speak something. But I mean, you don't think about this. But then yeah, yeah, really, you're right. But what should I do now? Then he said you should need to practice more and more. Then you can be a good speaker. Then I
Yeah, like practicing. Yeah, to be
yeah, that's
recommend.
why I
Yeah,
practice.
1 minute.
Yeah,
I
practice
recommended.
makes a
Yeah.
perfect match. We need to focus on practice, not
Oh my
focus
God.
on I mean, result. Because
Result. Yeah. That
sometimes,
yeah. Yeah. First of
yeah,
all,
we also
yeah.
think about it. Sometimes we are doing practicing and not getting result. Then we think my all efforts
Yeah.
going futile, and we are not getting result. Then we get upset.
Yeah.
But we
Not
yeah,
yeah that much.
but
But lot of girl will be give
yeah,
up.
give up also. Even I was thinking this. I will not learn now English.
No.
Even I
Yeah.
couldn't learn English. I need to give up.
Like now. Now. Now.
But I
Now you have to be an
determined this.
inspiration.
I
Like.
determined this. I will become a cabin crew. So it's mandatory to speak English at any cost. I will learn at any cost. I determined this
Oh.
because it
Oh.
is necessary for me.
Yeah.
That's why, yeah, that
Like
thing inspired me a lot. Every moment, even now, inspiring me.
even now. Even now. What inspire you?
Even now means, uh, some yes, sometime I forgot to speak English, and I mean, I forgot to practice English. But when I come on my goal and I need to be a cabin crew, then again I start practicing. If I think about my goal, if I
Oh
think
my
about my
God.
air hostess goal, then I start practicing. Just that inspired me a lot. Every moment.
Like you think that for to learning language you have to be like a reason,
Yeah,
core
yeah.
reason of that.
Region
Yeah.
is the most important, because if if we don't have any reason, just randomly we are learning English, and we don't need to speak English,
Yeah.
then we will not get chance to speak English. Then it means we can't improve
Oh,
our English. If we don't get chance, then how we will improve our English? If
no, I
we,
get. No, I get. Yeah,
if
I.
we
Yeah.
need anything in life, then we will focus on that deeply. Yeah,
Like you.
if I if I don't need to speak English, then I will not learn, I think.
That's also the point. But I say if anybody have to know reason, then I will give you two reasons. First, to compete with Sakshi, that I just want to be like Sakshi, yeah, like our guest, really. And the second is to to join me in this
I think
podcast. So
yeah,
that's your the two
first we
reason
need
behind
a
to learning.
reason
Yeah,
doing anything. If we don't have reason, then we will not
yeah.
focus on that.
I give people two reason. Yeah. If you were to get that achieved, then you will be a chance to talk with Sakshi. Yeah. It is, yeah. Now you become a, like, motivation for a lot of people, lot of girls to learn English language. You know that. So how it will you feel like,
Yeah,
because
because I mean, some of
to
persons say
become a,
that you are
yeah,
completely from Hindi, you are not having atmosphere, but still you can speak. This is really
yeah,
incredible for you.
yeah. Like when you speak like Sakshi, you, but a lot of people surrounding you say that, oh, you want to become a foreigner or anything else. Girls were not made for like learning English.
But
Yeah,
I couldn't get you.
yeah. Like
Yeah,
when you
yeah,
start to learn
yeah,
English
yeah.
or speaking in English, yeah, then society people say that, so you want to be learn English language, you want to become a
Yeah,
foreigner,
like
girls will be
listen,
not
listen.
made for it, it will
Listen,
become
listen.
for genius. Yeah,
I didn't share
yeah.
anywhere about my goal that I want to be a cabin crew, because that time I was, listen, that
Oh my God.
I
Yeah.
mean that time I didn't say to anyone about my goal, because of because I didn't know that after completing my
The
graduation I will go or
fear
not.
of
But
judgment.
my goal was in my mind, but I didn't share anyone. That's
Right.
why. But the I mean, before pandemic, I started practicing of English. Then my one of sister also tell
Yeah.
me, why are you learning English? You don't need to learn English. Just you can be a teacher. But I said, okay, no problem. I will learn. I love to talk in English. But
Like,
still I
yeah,
didn't share.
like
No, but
your
still I didn't
attitude. Yeah,
share my goal. I mean, but the after completing my graduation, now the moment I was about
yeah,
to come in Delhi, that time they all people
yeah.
around me got to know that she is going to have a training of your hostess.
Oh,
That, and then my sister was telling,
oh.
oh, that's why you was learning English. You didn't share with me.
Oh my God. Yeah, like you are a secret person. Yeah, like
Because
mysterious girl
boy,
in your
because
family.
that time I didn't know I will be able to go or not. That's why I didn't share.
Oh, yeah, like that's a full of things. What do you learn from all this experience? If you have to be a sum it up in the one line, what was that?
Yeah, the one line is that if if
Yeah,
anyone want to do and to achieve anything, we are chasing the goal.
like
Then
Sakshi.
we will get that thing definitely. Like
Like, yeah, like your journey is such an incredible. So
yeah,
that's why
definitely.
the way of you achieve, yeah, everything. And yeah,
I
I want
thought,
to know
I
that
always
if
think that whatever I want to get, I get that thing if I determine it.
yeah,
Really,
oh,
this is, I don't know why, but whatever in my life I want to achieve, I want to get, somehow I get.
yeah.
Uh,
So what the thing after to be a cabinet, yeah, like cabinet leader? What else that you want from your life? Please share us, please. Don't yeah worry about.
what else I want
Yeah,
apart from
yeah,
cabin crew?
yeah.
Uh, first, first I want to get a job in aviation as a cabin crew. Somehow, if
Yeah.
I will not able to get job as a cabin crew, I will be ground staff.
No, you say that. Yeah. No, no, you say that. Yeah, you say that. Whatever
Yeah,
the thing that you want, you have to
definitely.
practice
I
it
will
and you will
get
get it.
definitely. I believe on myself.
Yeah.
Okay, then after
Yeah.
completing, after spending
Yeah.
10 years and more than 10 years, I will establish,
Yeah.
I want to be a entrepreneur also. And so I want to establish my
Yeah.
own business and any industry first establish.
Yeah.
First I will set up my small enterprise, any kinds of. I didn't even I
Yeah.
didn't make any kinds of project now, but after spending job, after
Yeah.
spending more than 10 years as a cabin crew, then I will do this.
Yeah.
This is my
Oh, that's
childhood
good.
down,
So
this
why
is
you
my
do that? Yeah.
childhood dream to be an entrepreneur. And the cabin crew dream is I decided in 12th.
Oh my God. You chase your dream when that you decided earlier.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I want to do something else.
Yeah.
Something new in my family who didn't do anything.
Oh, that's why. So yeah, there is a lot of girls and boys will be listening, and mostly the girls. So what was the two things that you want to share with you, your journey to girls to motivate to learn new thing and achieve their goal?
You know, these two things like what you can say.
Now, yeah, what was the two things that they are never give you confidence? What was the two things? Because now you are inspiration of lot of girls and boys.
We should
Yeah.
first, everything
The what the
everything
yeah
starts from thinking. First we need to think about to achieve anything. If we don't think about, then we can't achieve
yeah
that. So I will say that
yeah
every girls that we should think and we should dream. If we don't dream, and then how you will go further in study or in life.
yeah. So first you have to think, and the second is ma'am.
Second is that I need to focus on that and start chasing our goal.
Like
Yeah, and what
to do it.
needs our goal, we need to do that thing.
Yeah.
Like
Oh, like first think about it. Yeah. Like first, I'll be clarify it is. First think about it and focus on it and
yeah,
do
yeah,
whatever
whatever
the
need
needed
for
for it.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like you, I think
like
you should have to become a motivational
like
speaker. Yeah.
first I think about this dream, and then I started doing for my goal. Yeah,
To chasing it.
doing for my goal.
Yeah. Like I think you say that you also want to become like a podcaster and do a lot of things. Yeah. When you start your own podcast, because you are such a inspiring. A lot of people just want to be heard your voice.
When I said, I didn't say anything about podcast. I went when I said.
Oh yeah, sorry for that. So I just want to summarize up these sessions, and your life is just an incredible thing, and your journey, the way you speak.
Okay, thank you so much.
What was the main thing? Yeah, what was the main thing that you learned from your life?
What was the main thing? I didn't know this is the toughest
Yeah.
question for me, but
Yeah, you get it. Yeah.
what I learned now, I don't have an answer of this question.
Just tell me. The next podcast, when we have to next podcast, then just take this answer. Yeah. Yeah. And I have the only last question for you, and then we have to summarize up this session. Yeah. The last question is that what was the impact that you want to be on the world from your life? It was tough, but anything that you in your mind.
What was impact?
Yeah. Like to be a cabinet crew and to be an entrepreneur. What was the in the society to be like inspiring girls? Anything that in your mind, please.
I
Yeah,
I first,
you.
I mean, impact on impact, I can say that I want to be a entrepreneurship. The entrepreneur is the biggest
Yeah.
impact